Hello candidates. Now I'm going to explain to you how to take the mock interview. As I told you, first you should take a particular job role and practice. After practicing the same job role, you should go and practice as an interview. So we are giving ample chances. Number of attempts is not limited on our portal. So you can practice the interview any number of times. So now that you already gone and created your profile and your resume is ready, and then you have already started practicing on the interview question bank. So last video I showed you that how you can practice for the post of an accountant. Now let's go and see how to take a mock interview. So click on the mock interview, you get a window like this. So you have to fill up the basic information, your name, your email ID, and then you can upload your resume. Okay. See, just I'm going to upload a resume for this. Okay. So you have to choose your resume, keep it here. Okay. So resume is uploaded. And then what you have to do is first select the focus. If you're an IT graduate or if you're going for an engineering job role, check the technical focus, which means out of 8 questions in the interview, you'll get 6 of them or 7 of them from the technical side and 1 general question. Okay. Or if you select behavioral focus, in case you are going for an administrative role, a customer service role, okay, or kind of management role, take behavioral focus. There they will ask you more questions on the particular domain, and technical questions only 1 or 2 related to your computer skills and etc. Fine. So once this is there, you can just start the interview. Alternatively, what you can do is you can also paste a job description. Okay? Suppose you get an interview call, okay, and the company has given the job description, you can paste it, and then you can practice in different modes that I'll come back and explain to you. So now the things is that you already put your biodata and you're ready. Just click on start interview. So the AI is generating questions for you.
Tell me a little about yourself, your background, what you do, and what excites you about this role.
This is a general question. And once you type your answer, you can just click save, it goes to next question. And you can also take a hint for that. And then you can type, or you can also use your mic. Just use the microphone, click on that, and then talk. It will type your whatever you're talking to be typed here, and then you can go and check spell checks and the things and edit, then submit. And you can also record yourself. When you click on the record button, so the video will be switched on. Okay. So you'll be able to see your image and the recording will happen. Then you can also download the video, and it can also be used for the analyzing your body language. Okay. So now this candidate is already taken interview, so I don't want to proceed further. This is one way of doing it. Okay. The other way of doing the interview is putting your job description. So when you put the job description, what happens? You can select the level. You can practice as a beginner or an intermediate, an advanced, or an expert. For example, advanced, maybe if you have 5 to 6 years experience in the company, going to another company, you can use this feature. If you're an expert for 20 plus years, you're going for a leadership role, you can use this feature. So anybody from the graduate level up to kind of a CEO level can practice on this platform. Okay. And again, you can also select your focus here, technical behavioral focus, or you can also practice a short interview for 4 questions. Okay. That's also possible. So here you have to click and then pay your job description. Okay. I think I have saved job description from your company called SkillBee in Pune. Okay. So who have advertised for this particular job role? Okay. For the post of a AL and ML engineer, and this particular graduate is an expert into that. She is a BE computer science and MTech in A and ML. So it is down there, and then you can just start the interview. You can select the interview or even intermediate question or an advanced question. So the question levels will be accordingly adjusted. Once the interview is over, you can click My History or see what happened to see the report. So the report will be given here. Okay. So what you can do, you can download the report as a PDF, a detailed report you will get. And you can also share it on WhatsApp or with say Insta or any other Facebook. You can share it with your friends and your parents. Okay, and you can also, just for a purpose, you can view it here. It'll give you got 76% in this interview. You can also go for another, take another interview, replay and review what you have answered. Those things to be done. Okay, but and then please summary of your strength and weakness. But when you go to the real, say the PDF document, it's not shown here. Just will come to your mail. So you will see the interview report will be like this. Okay? The full report will come like this. Okay. So what you can see the interview details. Okay. I'll just zoom it a bit. So you have how many questions you have answered and what is the response for that and the analysis. So you get the question asked, the answer what you are given, okay, and then you can see what is the correct answer, the expected answer, and the interview's feedback. This way, each question is marked out of 10, 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, etc. And then finally, you get an analysis saying your key strength and where you need improvement. So for that improvement, we don't just stop with that. We also give you a study plan. Okay, so where you can go and watch YouTube videos or go to particular software like Figma and practice for that. Okay, so the things are already given here. Okay, fine. So you have to practice, come back and take the additional interview, second interview, and then you'll have a comparative chart. Okay. Say for example, this particular candidate is taking 2 interviews. First interview is 66, second interview is 76. The improvement is 10%. Okay. And then certain things which were on the left side, she already improved to green zone. Okay. So if your result is the green zone, 72, 79 or 80, you are 100% ready for taking on job interviews directly with the clients.